Hi, good morning, children. This is your Lata ma'am. Welcome to our Nirbhaya Digital Learning class. Hi, hello, how are you kids? I hope you are all are safe. As before going to the topic, I will say you some mock exercise. Be ready, students. Everyone sit in your place. Sit in your place. Everyone close your eyes. Breathe in. Breathe out. 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 Rub your hands. Put on your eyes. Slowly open your eyes. Okay, coming to the point. Yesterday what you learned? How to add the sums. Yes, how to add the numbers. 2-digit numbers, 3-digit numbers you learned. Today I will say you word problems. In additions, chapter number 4, addition. See, word problems. See, in the word problems, first you should know the keywords. What you have to know? Key words. What are the addition keywords? In all, total, altogether. See, in all, total, altogether. These are addition keywords. Understood, children? What are the? In all, total, altogether. Understood? How much also? How much? How much? Yes, children, listen. Word problems. When you are doing word problems, you should read properly question first. See, there are 24 balls in a box. And 28 balls in another box. How many balls are there in all? See, in all. Already I told you. Keywords of the addition. What is that keywords of the addition? Keywords of additions. Already I told you. What is that? In all. In all. Altogether. Total. How much? How much more? How much, sir? How much? Okay? There are 24 balls in a box and 18 balls in other box. How many balls are there in all? Understood? Now, what you have to do? You should write the solution. Number of balls in the first box. How many? 24. Number of balls in the second box. How many? 18. Total number of balls. 24 plus 18 is equal to, you should do the sum like this. Understood? You should add 24 plus 18. How much came? 42 came. Understood, children? So, there are 42 balls in all. Understood? This is example in textbook, children. I will do now in the board. Okay, children, listen carefully. This is your example in your home. Whatever is there, toys. Okay. With you have 24 toys. Okay. Your sister has 14 toys. Total altogether how many toys are there? Both of you tell me. You should add your toys and your sister toys. You should add. Then you will get total number of toys. As Like that only. Word problem. Always you should read the question properly. Understood? You should understand the question. After that you should write the answer. Understood, children? See. Word problem. Okay. There are 14 toys in a box and 35 toys in another box. How many toys are there in all? Already I told you. See, first you should read the question. There are 15 toys in a box and 35 toys in another box. How many toys are there in all? See, in all. This is the keyword of addition. In all is the keyword of addition. Now, you should write solution. Number of toys in the first box. How many? 15. Yes. Next. Number of toys in the another box. How many? 35. 35. Now, total number of toys is equal to 15 plus 35. As children, what you have to do? You should add these two numbers, 15 plus 35. See, columns Sinona, draw the columns. Ones place, tens place. Okay, 15, 35. 5 plus 5, find the mind, take 5 fingers. After 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 like that only you should write. No, you should write here 0, 1, carry forward. Again you should add 1 plus 1, 2. 2 plus 3, 5. Understood? 2 in the mind, take 3 fingers. 3 after, 2 after. 3, 4, 5. Understood, children? What is the answer? 50 is the answer. Total number of toys how many? 50. So, there are 50 toys in all. Understood, children? Write, copy in the classwork, ma. In the classwork, you should copy this. One more word problem, children. See. Taman has 150 pencils and Sonu has 240 pencils. how many pencils do they have altogether? See children, see Taman has 150 pencils and Sonu has 240 pencils. How many pencils do they have altogether? What you have to do? You should do addition because altogether. Altogether is a keyword of the addition. As now solution you should write. What is that? Number of pencils. Number of pencils with Taman. How many number of pencil with Taman? 150. Understood? Next, number of pencils with, who's that? Sonu. How many? 240. Total number of pencils. Is equal to 150 plus 240. What is the total? Tell me. You should add first. See, 3-digit numbers, ones, tens, hundreds. As 150 plus 240. 0 plus 0, 0. 5 plus 4, 5 in a mind, take 4 fingers. 5 after, 6, 7, 8, 9. That 9 you should write here. 1 plus 2, 1 in a mind, take 2 in a mind, take 1 finger. After, 2 after, 3. 390. What is the total of pencils here I have? 390. Understood children? So, Taman and Sonu together have how many? 390 pencils. Understood children? Write in a classwork. Children, everyone open your workbook. Applications ma. See, there are 11 cows on a farm. As the owner moves 19 more cows to the farm. How many cows are there on the farm? See, first, how many cows are there? 11 cows. Again, the owner, what they did? He moves the 19 cows. Okay. Moves 19 more cows to the farm. How many cows are there on the farm? See, solution. Already they given the boxes. S. What are the boxes? They given like this. S in your workbook. Ones, tens. What are they? 11 cows already is there. How many cows is moves? 19. What you have to do? You should add. 9 plus 1, 10. 10 means what you have to do? 0 here, 1 carry forward. 1 plus 1, 2. 2 plus 1, 3. 30 cows. So, there are 30 cows. 15th one. Okay. So, in the dash, what you have to do? You should write 30. Understood, children? So, there are 30 cows on the farm. Already they given. Yes. So, there are 30 cows on the farm. Like that you should write. Next, short answer question. Team A scored 413 runs in the first innings. And Team B scored 222 runs. How many runs did they score in all? Again, what you have to do? 16th one. Again, team hundreds. Should draw the column. Already they given the column. Yes. Like this. Ones, tens, hundreds. See? What is that? Team A 413 scored. 413. Team B 222 scored. You should add these two. 3 plus 2. 3 in the mind. Take 2 fingers. 3 after 4, 5. 2 in the mind. Take 1 finger. 2 after 3. 4 in the mind. Take 2 fingers. 4 after 5, 6. What is the answer? 635. So, Team A and Team B scored dash there in the dash you should write 635. Understood, children? Next, 17th one. See, 17th one. A parking lot had 215 cars parked. Another parking lot had 214 cars. How many cars were parked in both the parking lots? See. Already they given the table. Yes. In the table you should write the numbers. How many numbers they given? First 215. Next 214. You should add this. Yes. Now, ones place. 5 in the mind. Take 4 fingers. 5 after 6, 7, 8, 9. That 9 should write here. 1 plus 1. 1 in the mind. Take 1 finger. 1 after 2. 2 plus 2. 2 in the mind. Take 2 fingers. 2 after 3, 4. What is that answer? That answer you should write in the blanks. So, cars were parked in both the parking lots. Understood? 429. Okay, children? See, next. Short answer question. Okay, you should form the question here. Given 46 plus 45 is equal to 91. Frame a question. See, children, 18th one. Given 46 plus 45 is equal to 91. Frame a question. Learns response. For example, see, you should frame the question. 18th one. There are 46 students in class A and 45 students in class B. How many students are there in all? See children, write in the workbook ma. Like this you should form the question. Understood?